Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are ready with your maths book for today's class. In today's class, we are going to start a new chapter. In previous class, we have completed chapter 6, multiplication, and I hope you all have completed notes, copy notes plus book work also. And in previous class, I told you to learn the tables, okay? Because students, for multiplication and the new chapter which we are going to start today, for both you need tables, okay? So now let us start our today's class. Kindly open your maths book, page number 44. The new chapter which we are going to study today is division. Okay. This we have studied in our previous class also, in class 3. Now let us study more about division. Division is the repeated subtraction of a number from another, as multiplication was the repeated addition. Multiplication is the repeated addition of same number. Here division is the repeated subtraction of a number from another number. Okay. So let us see in the example. Let us see by doing one example. 36 divide 12. Now subtract 12 from 36 till you get the answer 0. Okay. As division is repeated subtraction. Okay. So 36 minus 12 equal to 24. Now 24 minus 12 equal to 12. 12 minus 12 equal to 0. So here comes the answer 0. That means 12 can be subtracted 3 times from 36 to get 0. So 36 divide 12 equal to 3. Now when you will recite the table of 12, you will come to know that 12 multiply 3 is 36. Okay. Now here 36 is dividend, 12 is the divisor, okay, and 3 is the quotient. These special names we have studied in our class 3 also. Okay, let's do a revision of those special names. 36 is called dividend. So your 12 will be the division and 3 is the quotient. Okay. Now, when a number cannot be divided fully by another number, a remainder is left over. Okay. When a number is not divided fully, at that time a remainder we are getting. But when the number is divided completely, at that time we get the answer 0. Okay. And here is this. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. Now here are the properties of division. Okay. Here are the some properties of division. Number divide 1 equal to same number. Okay. Whenever you are dividing any number with 1, the answer is always the same number, whether it is of 1 digit, 3 digit or 5 digit. Okay. As you can see here, 5 divide 1 equal to 5. 132 divide 1 equal to 132. Second is number divide same number equal to 1. Whenever you are dividing any number with the same number, the answer is always 1, whether it is of 1 digit, 2 digit or 5 digit. Okay. Now 0 divide number. Whenever you are dividing 0 with any number or number with 0, the answer is always 0. Okay. So these 3 properties, students, you have to keep it in mind. Okay. Now here comes division by a 2-digit number. Now whenever you are dividing any number, if you want to check the answer, there is a formula to check the answer, that is divisor into quotient plus remainder equal to dividend. Okay, whenever you are dividing and if you want to check the answer, so this formula you have to put there and you can check your answer. Divisor into quotient plus remainder equal to dividend. This I will explain more in upcoming exercise. Okay. Now turn the page. Let us move to exercise 7a. Now here you can see in the question number 1, 52 divide 1. This we have studied in division property, that whenever you are dividing any number with 1 or 1 with any number, the answer is the same number. So here 52, 163. When you are getting the same number answer when it is divided by 1. So 32 divide 1. 45 divided 45 equal to 1. Student, this is the sign of division. Okay, this is the sign of division. Whenever you are dividing the number with the same number, the answer is always 1. As you can see here, when we are getting 1, when the number is divided with the same number. 0, when any number is divided with 0 or 0 with any number, the answer is always 0. Okay, now here 84 divide 4. Let's do that one. Exercise 7a. Okay, it is question number 3. 84 divide 4. Okay, now 84 divide 4. So here 4 is your divisor and 84 is your dividend. Okay, now in dividend there are 2 digit and in divisor 1 digit. So we can take 1 digit. So the 1 digit which we will take is 8. Now multiply 8 in 4's table. Or see how recite the table of 4 and get 8. So 4 ones are 4, 4 2 here and 8 here. Now in division we used to subtract the numbers. So 8 minus 8 0. Now take the next number, that is 4, and 4 in 4's table, that is 1. 4 ones are 4 minus 0. So here is the division. Okay. 728 divide 8. Okay, now let's do 8 is your divisor and 728 is your dividend. Now here divisor is of 8 digit. If we will take only 1 digit, that is 7, so it will be less than 8 and your dividend should be always greater than divisor. Okay, so we will take 72. Now 8 9s are 72. 0 0, take the other number 8, 8 1s are 8 minus 0. So here is the answer. Okay, so in this way you have to do. Let's move to question number 4, that is 470. Okay, so this is the sign we used to do for long division or short division. This. Okay students. Now 15 and 470 is your dividend. Now as 15 has divisor is of 2 digits, so let us take 2 digit here, 47, and it is greater than 15 also. Now you have to find out how many times does 47 multiplies in 15's table. Okay, for this let us do 15's table. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 5 twos are 10, 2 ones are 2, 3, 15 threes are 5 threes are 15, 145, 15 fours are 5 fours are 20, 0 to 60. Now here 47 and 60, it is greater than 47. So we will see the number which is less than 47. Okay, so that is 45 here. Now 45, how many times it is multiplying? 3 times. So 3 here and 45 here. Now put the minus sign, 0. Now 5 from 7, it's 2, and this take this 0. Now 20 in 15's tables, 15 twos are 30, that is more than 20. So we will see the less number which is smaller than 20, that is 15. So 31 ones are 15. Now subtract the number, 10, 5 from 10, that is 5. So this is your answer. In this way you have to do the division. Okay. Let's see of 4 digit number. Okay, let's do C. 32 6592. Okay, now let us take first 2 digit, that is 65, and it is greater than 32. Okay, let us do 32 table. 32 ones are 32, 32 twos are 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 32 threes are 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. Now 65 and 96. It is more than 65. So what we will do? We will see smaller number than 65 which is less than 65. That is here 64 and it is multiplying 2 times. So 32 twos are 64 minus 0 and 1 here and take the next number, that is 19. Now 19 is less than 32. And our dividend should be always greater than the divisor. So what we will do? We will take the next number. Now before taking the next number, put a 0 in the quotient and take the next number, that is 2. Okay, now take the table of 32. 32 4s are 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. 32 5s are 5 2s are 10, 1 5 3s are 15, 16. 32 6s are 6 2s are 12, 1 6 3s are 18, 19. 192 it is coming 32 into 6. So 6 here and 192 here. Now minus 0 0. So this is your answer. Okay, so in this way you have to do. Now let us see question number 5. 72 divide 12. Okay, now 12, so 12 is your divisor and 72 is your dividend. Okay, and now recite the table of 12 or find out 72 how many times it multiplies in 12's table. So 12 6 are 72 minus 0 0. Here is the answer. Okay, now question number 6. Let's do question number 6. 182 divide 12. Let's do this one. 12 and 182 is your dividend. Now if you are taking 18, because our divisor is of 12 digit, and if you are taking 18, so 12 ones are 12. Okay, if you see the tables of 12, 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 2 twos are 4, 12 into 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3, 12 fours are 4 twos are 8, 4 ones are 4, 12 fives are 5 twos are 10, plus 1, 5 ones are 5, 60. So here 12, 12 twos are we are getting 24, that is more than 18. So what we will see? We will see smaller number than 18, that is 12. So 12 ones are 12. Now subtract the number 0, 2 from 8, that is 6, and take the next number, that is 2. Now 62 in 12's table. Now 12 into 5, 5 twos are 10, 0 here, sorry 6. 6 twos are 12, 1, 6 ones are 6, 72. Now here 62 and 72 is coming, that is more than 62. To what we will see? We will see the smaller number or less than 62. Less than 62 it is 60 and it is going 5 times. So 12 fives are 60 minus 0 and 2. So in this way we have to do the division. Okay. Now let us see one more. Let us do this one, B. 504 divide 28. Okay. So here 28 your divisor and 504 is your dividend. Okay. Now here you have to follow the table of 28. Now we will take first 2 digit 50 and that is greater than 28 also. Now 28 ones are 28. 28 into 2, 8 twos are 16, 1, 2 twos are 4, 56. Now here we are having 50 and it is 56. It is more than 50. So what we will do? So we will see a smaller number or less than 50. That is 28. So 28 ones are 28 minus. Now this will be 10. Now 8 from 10, that is 2, and this will be 4. 2 from 4, it's 2. Okay. Now 22 and 28. Okay. Now take the next number also, 4. Now 224 in 28's table, when you will multiply 28 into 8, 8 8s are 64. 4 here and 6 here. 8 2s are 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So here comes 8 and 224 minus 0 0. So this is your answer. Okay. So in this way you have to do. Now let us see, divide and check the answer. Okay. How to check your answer. Let us do the first one. 80 divide 15. Okay. So 15 is your divisor and 80 is your dividend. Now when you will recite the table of 15, you will come to know 15 5s are 75 and 15 6s are 6 5s are 30, 0 here 3, 6 1s are 6, 90. And we are having here 80 and 90 is more than 80. So we will see less number or smaller number than 80, that is 75, and it is going 5 times. So 75 here minus, this will be 7, this will be 10. 5 from 10, that is 5. Okay. Now to check the answer, divisor into quotient plus remainder equal to dividend. Okay. Now divisor, what is your divisor here? 15 into your quotient is 5 plus your remainder is also 5. This is your remainder. Okay. Now 15 into 5, that is 75. 75 plus 5 equal to 80. And this is your dividend. Okay. That means your answer is correct. Okay. To check the answer, this is the way. Let us do one more. Let us do C. 725 divide 25. Okay. So 25 is your divisor and 725 is your dividend. Okay. Now 25 twos are, that is 50, minus 5 from 7, that is 2, 0 from 2, 2, take this 5 also. Now 25 9s are 225, minus 0, 0. Okay. Now to check the answer, divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here divisor is your 25 into your quotient is 29 plus your remainder is 0. Okay. So 25 into 29, when you will multiply 25 into 29, you will get answer 725 plus 0 equal to 725. That means your dividend is equal. So the answer is correct. Okay. So students, in this way you have to do the division of 7a. Okay. Now here comes division by 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Okay. Now you can see here quotient and remainder, this we have studied. When a number is not divided fully, then you are getting a remainder. Okay. Now 354 divide 10. Now see here, 354 divide 10. Okay, quotient and remainder. Now here, last 10 is there. That means the last number has 10 is there. So last one number will be your remainder and the remaining number will be your quotient. Okay, 4982 divide 100. So here this last 2 digit means 2 0 are here, 2 0 are there. So we will take last 2 digit, that will be your remainder and the remaining numbers will be your quotient, that is 49. Okay. Now $12,378 divide 1000. Okay. Here 3 zeros are there. So we will take last 3 digit, 1, 2, 3, this. So this will be your remainder and 12 will be your quotient. Okay. So in this way you have to do division by 10, 100 and 1000. Okay. Now here comes your long division. In the same process, students, you have to do this division also. Okay, here check, the answer is not given, just you have to divide. This copy notes I will provide for 7a and 7b. Carefully note down in your maths copy and learn the tables. Okay, as you can see here also, 10 is there, so we will take last one digit as remainder, that is 3, and quotient will be the remaining number, that is 6. Okay, in 100 two zeros are there, so we will take last two digit as remainder, that is 40. So 40 and the remaining number will be our quotient, and here division is given there. So students, in this way you have to do your division. Both the exercise notes I will provide. That's all for today's class. Thank you, and kindly complete your copy notes. Okay, thank you.